Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn something different, something new, that is a email attachment in Gmail. So how can you do that? This feature has been just introduced by the Google. So let's learn how to use it. Just go to the compose and select the emails that you want to attach. Just drag and drop like this. So a this is an email attachment in Gmail. Okay guys, so in this video we have learned something different. Now you can send to anyone, like I want to send to my another email address, that is, so this is a test email. Just click on send. Once you send, just go to your email address. Now I have received the email, so you can see how the email that I have attached will look like. So you can click any of attachment and just your email will be opened on another browser, that is like this. So you can easily attach your all the emails that you want to attach. This feature was introduced in the Google in the Outlook previously, but this feature was not available in the Gmail earlier, but now this feature has been integrated and you can easily use the Gmail even in your G Suite account or the personal account. Okay guys, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is G Suite Tips and Tricks.